Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make flower bookmark. To make the bookmark, I think it is better if we are using a yarn that is a bit stretchy. I think it would make a better bookmark. We're going to make a slip knot. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to slide under the first line and hook into the second one. We're going to hold the tip of the yarn and we can pull on both sides, and there is a slip knot. Next, we're going to make 8 chains. We're going to skip the first and the second chain, and on the third chain we are going to make a half double crochet. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the chain, yarn over and pull the yarn out. There will be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull it through all the loops. There is a half double crochet. We're going to insert the stitch marker. On the next chain, we are going to make another half double crochet. Then we're going to make a double crochet. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the chain, yarn over and pull the yarn out, and there will be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through the first and the second loops, yarn over again and pull it through the rest of the loops. There is a double crochet. We're going to make another double crochet on the next chain. Another double crochet on the next chain. So we will have 3 double crochet. There will be 1 chain left, and on the last chain we are going to make 4 double crochet. So that's the first one. The second one. The third one. And then the last double crochet. Now we're going to work on the other side of the chain. We're going to make 3 double crochet. Then we're going to continue with 2 half double crochet. We're going to make a slip stitch on the first stitch. Make a chain, then cut the yarn. Next, you can weave in the end. We're going to make 5 pieces. Then we're going to glue them in the shape of a flower. Now that the flower is done, we're going to make the string. We're going to start with another slip knot. Then we're going to insert the slip knot into the back side of the flower. We're going to make the string using chains, and you can make as many chains as you want. Just for a reference, mine is around 80 centimeters long. Once you feel like you have reached the right length, you can make a slip stitch on the back side of the flower. At this point, you're going to check the string first. Is it in the right length that you need it or not? You have to make sure that the string is not too tight but also not too loose. Usually I check it twice, so the first one is when I am on the beginning of the book. We're going to check if the string is too loose or not. And then the second one is when I am near the end of the book. We're going to check if the string is too tight or not. If it is in the right length, then you can just make a chain and cut the yarn. But if it is too loose or too tight, you can undo the slip knot. Then we can adjust the length by adding or reducing some chains. Once it's done, we're going to make a slip stitch on the back side of the flower. We're going to make a chain, then cut the yarn. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!